Climate change is having a profound effect on the world around us, impacting people, ecosystems, and human health. Overproduction and the desire to buy new instead of reuse or repair is resulting in us making more stuff than we need and is in turn driving up greenhouse gas emissions. As a local government, the City of Seattle is taking meaningful steps towards lessening our contribution to climate change by preventing and diverting waste. So how can you help Seattle reach zero waste and reduce greenhouse gas emissions? The first step is preventing waste from occurring in the first place by reusing, reducing, repairing, and sharing. Preventing food waste is one of the most impactful things that we can do in our homes and businesses to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Secondly, keep recycling right. Using recycled materials also uses less energy. Make sure your garbage and compost stay out of recycling. Finally, compost right as well. Make sure food waste and yard debris end up in your green compost cart. Keep plastic and pet waste out of the green bin so that your food and yard waste can be turned into compost that will help nourish and nurture local farms and gardens. Here in Seattle, we are envisioning a zero-waste future that prioritizes human and environmental health and prevents climate change. This is a key cornerstone of our 2022 Solid Waste Plan update, moving upstream to zero waste.